Hello, welcoming you all to a video lecture series on strategic human resource management. So in this lecture series, we are being discussing about particularly about strategies and types of strategies. So previously we have been discussed about what is a strategy, why we are formulating a strategy, and the initial four types of strategies we have been in types of strategy we have been discussed about the four types of strategies. So in this video we will be discussing about the next four types of strategies. So let's get into today's video on various types of strategies. So I am Pavitra, working as assistant professor at the Department of Business Administration UG at Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Getting into today's video on next type of strategy. So the next type of strategy that we will be discussing today is that growth strategy. So initially we have discussed about structural strategy, differentiation strategy, price skimming and acquisition strategy. So here we will be discussing about the next type of a strategy, growth strategy. A growth strategy is usually used when a company wants to move on to its next phase, or moving on to a new venture, or starting up with a new phase, or moving to the next step. So whatever, when a company strives to grow further, the company uses the growth strategy. So to increase its revenue, to increase its market share, to expand its business size, to increase its revenue, so to bring back its customers, to expand its consumer purchase. So for all these, or for acquiring a new business, so for all this a company will be using a growth strategy. So that is what a plan, this is a plan that focuses on company's revenue, market share, business size by expanding operations, launching new product, or entering into new market, or acquisition of other business or something else. So a growth strategy is implemented when a company strives to move forward, moves a step forward. So a growth strategy is implemented. So it is a corporate level strategy that is used by the companies that aims scale up, so that aims to strive further, to move forward, that aims to enhance its current position in the market. So this is the situation where the company uses the growth strategy. So the next type of strategy that we will be discussing is focus strategy. So this strategy focuses on a particular market or particular type of customer. The name itself suggests is that the strategy focuses. The strategy particularly pins up the particular type of a market, particular niche market. Niche market is nothing but a particular customer. For example, it aims for children's. My product aims children's. It is a chocolate. I'm producing a chocolate. So I'm giving a chocolate. My product is chocolate. So that aims children's, adults, all type of a product. Or else let us take an example of I'm giving a pet food. I am having a pet food shop. So my market, my business focuses a particular type of an customer, pet owners. So this is called as a focus strategy. It particularly pinpoints the particular type of a customer. Or else I am producing a beauty product exclusively for women. So my product exclusively focuses all women's and who are most interested in beauty products. So this is what called as a focus strategy. So it is a business level strategy where a company concentrates on a specific market niche, a particular group of customers, either it may be a geographical area or a product line. It focuses a specific people. So this is called as a focus strategy. So this strategy is one of Michael Porter's generic strategy. This comes under Michael Porter's generic strategy. So all these strategies we will be discussing later in our next videos. So this is what a focus strategy. Clear? So moving on to the next type of a strategy, cross-selling strategy. So what is a cross-selling strategy? It cross sells the product. So I'm producing one kind of a product. For example, I have a furniture showroom. I'm selling a table. So what will I do extra? I will also cross sell the other features. I will sell my chair, or I will sell my sofas, cross sell it. So this is called as a cross selling. So or else let us assume that I'm having a laptop showroom. So I'm selling a laptop. What would I do? I would also sell a laptop bag with it. So this is called as a cross selling. So this is a sales strategy where company encourage the customers to buy additional or related complementary products. So if I am purchasing a laptop, I will also make the customer to buy the as complementary product, the laptop bag as well. Or else if I'm selling a table, I would also complementarily make the customer to buy the chair or sofas or either of a primary purchase. So this is what called as a cross selling. It aims to increase the value of each customer transaction, and this enhance the customer's experience, will make them to feel still more valued. So this is what called as a cross selling. So moving on to the final strategy, that is operational strategy. So operational strategy focuses to make the organization more effective and efficient in its day-to-day business operations and practice. So how to scrutinize our day-to-day activities, how to make our day-to-day activities more comfortable. So this is what called as an operational strategy. We scrutinize our operational process, day-to-day activities in an organization, making it more simple and more effective to function to and to attain the objective and strategy still more faster and to reach our goal more effectively. So this is called as an operational strategy. So for example, this operational strategy is used when a company strives to to make the process inside the organization still more easier, to make the company's process more effective and efficient, or else to if it decides to reallocate the organization policies and processes. So if they want to meet the customer needs, or they want to allocate resources for the people, so for all these process the companies use the operational strategy. So this strategy is a plan that focuses on effective and efficient execution of business operations, and it defines how resources, process and peoples are managed to deliver the particular product or service, and how that product or service meets the customer needs, and that will help us to attain the organizational goal. So this is what the main aim of a operational strategy. So hope you people are more familiar now with the types of strategy, and I hope that in the next upcoming days someone asks you what is differentiation strategy, or someone asks you what is structural strategy. I have a doubt. So if someone asks, so I hope so you people would be more familiar to answer with it. Structural strategy is nothing but a company analyzes the current market trends, analyzes its internal situations and market trends, and makes the decision uh, what to do next, or plans it. So that is called as a structural strategy. And differentiation strategy is nothing but the company is providing a unique product or features and giving a bit of high price than its competitors for its unique features into a market and introduces their product. So that is differentiation strategy. So hope you people would be more confident enough to answer these kind of questions later. So thank you, and see you all soon in the upcoming lecture series on various managerial topics, and let me know what kind of a topics you people are more interested to know about. Thank you.